Hey everyone. So it's Coach Tammy, and it is the season of love and gift giving. So I wanted to show you a few ways that you could make some spectacular bows for the gift giving season, whether it's with a basket or a gift basket or a wrapped gift basket, or maybe it's just a little cup and you just put some goodies in there. I'm going to show you a few different things you could do, and I'm going to let you do it on your own. So get creative with it. So normally when I'm doing a little gifty, it doesn't have to be anything huge. I like to do it with a theme in mind. So I usually, for me, gift baskets, I like to do reusables. So I like things that the person's not going to just throw in their closet and never see again. So I try to avoid like the wicker baskets or something that I know they're just not going to use again. So for housewarming, baby showers and stuff, I use like laundry baskets. Those are really good. It doesn't have to be a basket, so to speak, to put gifts or to put bows on. So I just have this little cup here that would be super, super cute. And I would just put some shred in there. And I'm just showing you this part as a bonus. I'm just going to talk about gift bows, but this would be super fun as well. And then I like to grab like these little fun cellophane bags. I use these all the time in my own business. And these are perfect to put down in there. These come with little aluminum ties, but they're not very cute. So we're going to put a bow on this small gift basket and make it look adorable. Okay. And then all I'm going to do is just tie this up just to give it the security blanket that I need before I do the actual bow. Okay. And I'm just going to trim that up. Then a really simple bow, gift bow for a basket, is what I call the throw and go, okay? And a lot of times I will use raffia for this, or 1.5 inch or 7/8. You can also use unwired. I don't think it's nearly as pretty if you do. So I'm just gonna put this, I'm gonna fold this in half, or you can even cut it. That would be another quick way to get some more mileage out of this, is you're gonna cut this really good ribbon right in half, and you're gonna make that 2.5 inch ribbon, 1.75 inch or whatever. I like to just make it about 1 inches. I'm just gonna do a little strip, and then I'm just gonna do a quick tie to where nothing fancy is gonna happen, okay? Nothing fancy. And then I dovetail it just like that. Just a quick little bow tie, just really cute, very, very, very simple. That's the most simple one you could do, but it adds just a little touch of, I was thinking about you, right? Just a little touch, just like that. Something super simple. It doesn't have to cost a lot, okay? But now we're gonna jazz it up with a really cute bow. So all I'm gonna do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to dovetail it, fold it like a taco, cut it towards the sunshine. Okay. Pinch, twist, loop. And my rule of thumb is you never make the loop bigger than the width of the basket. So if you have a big gift basket with cellophane on it, go for it. And I'll show you that in just a minute. But this is not going to be bigger than the width of this. Okay, pinch, twist, loop, fold it over. Pinch, twist, loop. Pinch, twist, loop. I'm going to do about 6 loops, and I like to come in and graduate about 1 inch on the last 2 loops. And I'm going to show you why in just a second. Okay. Now, I'm going to, again, cut it to where the tail's not very long. I'm going to take that part of ribbon that I cut for something earlier, or just cut a piece off. We are using this as the tie, okay? Remember that. There's a reason. There's a method for my madness. You can use a zip tie if you want, that's fine, but I'm just all about using what we have in our toolbox. Okay. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to come in here, and there's always going to be a handle, all right? Most of the time, there's a handle. I'll show you in a minute what to do if there's not with the third bow that I'm going to show you. Now, you clean that up really nice, okay? Make sure they're even. Make sure you have good dovetails. This should be presented well, okay? Make sure, now oftentimes I'll take little balloons, like little 3 or 5 inch balloons, and put them down in there. They look like little gumdrops. They're super cute that way. I go ahead and fluff this out, just like this. I make sure that this is never taller than what's in there, because I want it to kind of be like that, but I'm going to spread this bow all out, make it look super. Okay, that little dovetail is not correct. Got to clean that up. Okay. A bow can make or break a wreath, but a bow can really notch up a gift basket from to, oh, that's cute, right? Now, another thing you could do is you can also take maybe the sunglasses and put them right inside of there. And you can tie them in. That would be super cute. Like, how cute is that? Adorable. That's super cute and just adds a whole other look to a bow. Okay, so that's one idea. Another basket, and we're just gonna fill some random things in there. Maybe you're not very good with making bows. So you're like, well, I just want to make something like this. There's nothing wrong with doing this. But let me show you a super inexpensive way to make that bow. So I'm going to take 2.5 inch ribbon. I'm going to place them just like this. Okay? I'm going to fold them. The reason I fold them is I want to know how long the corkscrews are going to be. Okay? So I fold them. I am then going to get me 3 strips out of 2.5 inches. I'm going to put these all out here, just like this. I'm going to separate them out. Not a big darn deal. Now you can do one of 2 things. This one here does not, you're going to have one that does not have any wire in each of those, okay? So the one that does not have the wire, okay, this is a middle portion, so one of those does not have it. That's what we're going to tie with, okay? So again, your middle one is not going to have a wire. Okay, so there should be 3 middle pieces and 6 of these. So what you're going to do is literally wrap it around your finger, stop, wrap it around your finger, stop, okay? Lay it to the side. Wrap it halfway, stop. Wrap it halfway, stop. And you're just going to continue to do this. Now, I have these 3 right here, and I'm just going to start stacking them on top of one another, right? And I'm going to put them just like that, just like this, just together, and you're going to pinch them. If you do want to use this, save these for doing something like this, because it really does work well if you need something in a pinch. And then all you have to do is tie it just like this. And you just spread them out. And it adds such a cute, and you don't have to go buy them, guys. That's still a bow. All right, it's still a bow. Now this is in a pinch, okay? I go and I buy a really fun tablecloth. I like the foiled ones. The foiled ones are my favorite. So what I do, I lay this down, and I'm not going to put it in that one. I'll wrap this one just in case. Okay, so I'm going to put it just like this, and then I'm going to cut. I'm going to see how high I want it, which is about right. I'm going to come out here and I measure about 2 feet away. Okay, about 2 feet out from that basket with this foil. And I just cut it. Like, this is way more than I need for this, but I'm just showing you the demo. This is a foil tablecloth. Okay? Foil tablecloth. I just gather it, and as I'm going up, I'm gathering. I'm coming to this side, and I'm gathering. Coming to this side, and I'm gathering. Gather, gather, gather. Let me use the wire. Actually, let me use this one again. So we're going to put this here, and I'm just going to tie a knot, a really rough knot, okay? The first thing I like to do is I grab this like I'm cutting hair, and I cut that excess off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some leftover ribbon, and I'm going to cut that in two, just using leftovers, okay? Just like that. Okay, we're going to dovetail this. I'm going to crisscross applesauce it, and I'm going to grab me another couple. So here's this, and I'm just going to put it just like that, okay? And then I'm going to gather this up, gather it up. You can take, this is going to be cute, y'all. You do not have to leave that tag on there. You can take that bundle that they have stapled together, put it right inside your bow, okay? And then put this in there, put that in there, and you just stack them. You take this, the pretty side goes on the front, turn it over, and then we'll be done. And then you guys have to get busy making Valentine, Easter, Mother's Day, graduation baskets of your own. And then you just tighten that little stinker up just like that, okay? And we're going to make it pretty once we stick it on here. But right now, look at that. Now watch. I'm going to take this, and I'm just tying it in the back. And I'm not knotting it, okay? We're not trying to make them spend an hour getting that off, okay? And now it's super cute, and you can do any of this on any gift basket.